Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Top Cover Lesson. Select the New Document command and create a part using the ANSI inch cast alloy steel template. From the Sketch tab, click on the Sketch command and select the top plane. Click on the Rectangle drop-down command and select Center Rectangle. Right-click and turn on Sketch Numeric Input. Right-click again and turn on Auto Dimension. Click in the origin and move the mouse. Type the height and width values. Click on Sketch Fillet. Set the radius and select the corners to fillet. Click OK to continue. From the Features tab, select Extruded Boss. Set the extrusion's depth and click OK to finish. Slow double-click to rename the feature. Click on the top face and select Sketch from the context toolbar. With the face selected, click Offset Entities from the Sketch tab. Set the offset distance, reverse the direction, and click OK to finish. Select Extruded Boss, set the extrusion's depth, and click OK. Slow double-click to rename the feature. Change to a top view, click on the top face and select a Sketch from the context toolbar. Select Centerline from the Line drop-down command. Right-click and turn off a Sketch Numeric Input. Click and drag from the origin to draw a horizontal and then a vertical line. Select the Circle tool, draw a circle in the upper right corner and dimension it as indicated. Select the Mirror Entities command. Select the circle. Right-click to go to the next selection box. Select the vertical centerline and right-click to finish. Repeat the Mirror Entities command. Select both circles. Right-click to go to the next selection box. Select the horizontal line and right-click to finish. From the Features tab, select Extruded Cut. Set the end condition to Up to Surface. Select the end face and click OK to finish. Rename the feature to continue. Click on the Fillet command. Activate the Show Selection toolbar. Set the fillet radius and click in the selected edge. From the Context toolbar, expand the selection to the other edges. Click OK to finish. From the Features tab, select the Shell command. Select the bottom face to remove it. Set the shell thickness and click OK to finish. From the Evaluate tab, select the Measure command or the menu Tools, Evaluate, Measure. Select the inside edge and outside face. Evaluate the different measuring options in the Measure dialog. Click anywhere to clear the selections. Select a face, right-click on another face and select Other. Right-click to hide faces and left-click to select a hidden face. Repeat the Select Other command. And close the Measure dialog. Change to a bottom view. Select the bottom face and add a new sketch. Select the Circle tool, touch the round edge to reveal the arc's center, and draw a circle. Repeat on the other 3 corners. Cancel the Circle command when finished. Windows select all circles. From left to right you will select everything enclosed. From right to left everything crossed. Add an equal geometric relation from the Context toolbar or the Properties. Add an equal geometric relation between a circle and the circular edge. Select the Boss Extrude command. Set the end condition to Up to Surface. And select the indicated face. Click OK to finish. Select the Fillet command. Set the radius and select the faces indicated. Click OK to finish. Rotate the model and select the Fillet command again. Expand the Feature Manager and select the Shell feature. Click OK to finish. Change to a top view. Select the Hole Wizard command from the Features tab. Set the hole type, size, and set the end condition to Through All. Select the Positions tab and click on the face to add the holes. Touch the edge to reveal the arc's center and click to add a point. Repeat on the other 3 corners and click OK to finish. Save the part as top cover and close the file.